Welcome. What can I offer you today? The Bacon King Large costs $18. Please proceed to the next window to pay. Thank you.
Google Vids is an AI-powered video creation and editing platform that lives in your browser. It uses Google Gemini under the hood, and you can use it to create videos for customer service, project management, marketing, and more. You can access this amazing video creation tool via vids.new. It is also available in your Google account in Google Drive. The January 2026 update to Google Vids adds a support for AI avatars. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to add AI avatars to your video project using Google Vids. As I told you previously, you can access Google Vids via Google Drive or visit vids.new. You will be presented with this welcome screen showcasing the different features. You can, for example, generate 8 seconds AI video powered by Veo 3.1. What we are going to focus is AI Avatar, which is a new feature of Google Vids. You can use it to turn presentations into videos with AI-generated voiceovers. You can use it for recording both audio and video. It supports media upload, so you can upload photos and other forms of media to your video creation. There are beautiful templates to choose from when working with Google Vids. There is an option to add stock media and also AI voiceovers to your video projects. You can also get started with a blank video project. However, our focus is on AI Avatar, which is new in Google Vids. So let's click that. That launches the AI-powered web video editing interface. And over here, we can name the project. You have noticed from the top left, the new document is opened in my Google Drive. So using this canvas and all the tools over here, you can start creating your videos. However, our focus on this video is mainly on AI Avatar. From the bottom right, you can see we have the avatar option, and we can click here to select different avatars. When I hover on any of these, we can play it with sound.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers respond to your video.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers respond to your video.
So you can pick any of these voices. For example, let's pick this one.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers respond to your video.
And click select. We don't see anything in the preview area because we haven't added any script for the AI avatar. Depending on your project, you can add any script you want. So let me add one. After you enter the script, you can then preview. So that is going to take a while.
Welcome. What can I offer you today? The Bacon King Large costs $18. Please proceed to the next window.
You have noticed here the lip syncing will happen after rendering. So let's click generate. This is going to generate the final AI avatar. After the video is generated, we will then see it on the canvas. So let's wait for some time. When everything is done, I'll play it back to see if the lip syncing works or not. Now the video generation is done, so we can perform various operations like resizing the video, editing the transcript, adding animations, sound. There are also playback options, as well as formatting options. So let's play it back to ensure the lip syncing works correctly.
Welcome. What can I offer you today? The Bacon King Large costs $18. Please proceed to the next window to pay. Thank you.
As you just noticed, it works perfectly. So if you need to add AI avatars with seamless lip syncing to your video projects, this is how you can do it in Google Vids. I encourage you to check it in your Google Drive or vids.new to get started. You can use this AI-powered video creation tool for so many things, like video recording, recording audio, and creating engaging videos for storytelling.
Welcome. What can I offer you today? The Bacon King Large costs $18. Please proceed to the next window to pay. Thank you.